We're here again with the captain of the St. Andrew Technical High School, Richard Livingston. Unfortunate loss today. Speak to us about your team's performance, captain.
Team performance was a great one, but as you see, we got a lot of chances that we didn't make use of, and that's what we're disappointed with.
All right, we saw that you came off early in the game. Was that due to injury concerns?
No, as you can see, the coach used all the substitution that he have to get some of the players some time to play out there as we're preparing for the Champions Cup and the semi-finals of the Manning Cup.
All right, so what points of your game today do you think Staths could have improved upon to win this game and get 3 points?
As I told you before finishing, that was lacking today.
All right. Now the quarterfinals is done and dusted. It's in the rearview mirror. You guys are looking forward to another competition and the semi-finals. How can you take, or what can you detract from this game to implement in your semi-final to improve the team's performance?
We'll be looking to improve our finishing and the way that we possess the ball to compete against others.
All right, so you guys will be tuned in tomorrow at 3 p.m. to see who it will be that you guys face. Do you have a preference as to who you want to face in the semi-finals?
Anyone.
It doesn't matter?
Anyone.
And what can we expect from Richard Livingston in the semi-finals?
A better game than today's game.
All right, thanks for talking to us.
You're welcome.